In this video, we're diving into a comparison between Sendinblue and AWeber to answer one of the most critical questions for email marketers: which email software has better deliverability? If you're investing in email marketing, you know that making sure your emails actually get delivered is just as important as crafting the perfect message. So, let's break down what these two platforms offer in terms of deliverability and which one stands out. Now, first, let's start with Sendinblue. One of the main reasons people flock to this software is its reputation for having strong deliverability. Sendinblue boasts a solid reputation for sending emails that land in inboxes, not spam folders. That's thanks to its infrastructure, which includes dedicated IPs and a robust algorithm to monitor engagement and send time optimization. However, like any platform, it's not perfect. While the deliverability is generally good, if you're using a shared IP, you might find that your emails could still get caught in spam filters, especially if your email list isn't clean. That's something to be mindful of. Next thing, let's talk about AWeber. AWeber has long been a favorite of small businesses and email marketers. AWeber provides great deliverability with a strong reputation for getting emails to inboxes. They also offer dedicated IP addresses for users who need them, which can definitely boost deliverability. AWeber's autoresponders and segmentation features also help with targeting the right audience, improving engagement, and keeping those inboxes clean. But just like Sendinblue, AWeber's deliverability isn't foolproof. If you have a list with low engagement or poor sender reputation, you might see your emails being marked as spam despite the platform's best efforts. The fourth thing to consider is how each software handles email authentication. Sendinblue uses DKIM and SPF, which are essential to helping your emails get past spam filters. These protocols ensure that your emails are seen as legitimate and not as spam. AWeber also supports these authentication methods, but what sets it apart is its automatic setup, making it easier for beginners to get it right without worrying about technical details. The fifth thing to look at is how they each handle deliverability testing. Sendinblue offers a feature that lets you test your emails for spam score before sending them out, which can help catch issues before they become a problem. AWeber, while not offering as in-depth spam testing, has an excellent reputation for continuously monitoring its platform's email delivery metrics and making adjustments when necessary. Next, let's talk about pricing. Sendinblue offers a free tier, which is nice for beginners or small businesses. However, as your list grows, so will the cost, and the need for more advanced features might push you to higher tier plans. AWeber, on the other hand, has a free tier as well, but their pricing structure can become expensive once you scale up. In terms of deliverability, both platforms will charge you based on the number of emails sent and subscribers, which can impact your ROI if you're not careful. Now, if you're still unsure, here's where things get interesting. While Sendinblue and AWeber are solid choices in terms of deliverability, there is another email marketing platform that excels at this, even more so than both of these. After trying both myself, I've found that there's a better option for improving your email deliverability, and I'll share that with you in a moment. So, while Sendinblue and AWeber are both good email software options, when it comes to superior deliverability, they might not be the best for everyone. If you want to give yourself a real advantage in getting your emails delivered to your audience's inboxes without all the headaches, check out the first link in the description for a free trial of a platform that I've found works much better. Through our link, you'll also get an exclusive bonus that's not available anywhere else. Remember, getting your emails delivered is just as important as crafting them. So, if you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level, don't miss out on that free trial. See you in the next video.